Hello medicos. Today topic antimicrobial drug part 4 inhibition of nucleic acid synthesis. We already completed part 1, part 2, part 3. If you didn't watch then go and watch the video. Link in the description. Now I will start inhibition of nucleic acid synthesis. Inhibition of nucleic acid synthesis. Classification on the basis of inhibition of nucleic acid synthesis, mainly four type of classification. First, DNA guidase or topoisomerase inhibitor, RNA polymerase inhibitors, drug destroying DNA, and nucleoside and nucleotide analogs. First, DNA guidase and topoisomerase inhibitor. What is guidase and topoisomerase? Guidase mostly present into the bacteria or archaebacteria and topoisomerase present into the human. What the function of guidase? Function of guidase, it help in the uncoiling of the DNA in case of the replication of the DNA. But this drug, it causes inhibition of the uncoiling. So it's the inhibition. Like example is the quinones derivative like fluoroquinolones, nalidixic novobiosine. Second is the RNA polymerase inhibitor. RNA polymerase inhibitor, it inhibit the transcription, means it inhibit the transcription of DNA into the RNA. So DNA didn't converted into the RNA, so causes death of the bacteria because no transcription, no translation, and no protein synthesis occur. So it causes the death of the bacteria. Example like is the rifampicin. This is the second. Third classification like drug destroying DNA. It causes DNA helix destabilization and strain of the breakage of the DNA like metronidazole and furantoin. Last is the nucleotide and nucleoside analogs. Drugs structure are similar to nucleoside or nucleotide like edoxyridine, acyclovir and NRTI. What is NRTI? NRTI is the nucleosides or nucleotide reverse transcription inhibitors. These are the many drugs included into the NRTI. So this is the nucleoside or nucleotide reverse transcription inhibitor. Now I will start first DNA guidase or topoisomerase inhibitor like fluoroquinone. It's very important fluoroquinone because in all nucleotide inhibitor most important example is the fluoroquinone. Most of the question asked in the from fluoroquinone. So it inhibit the replication of the bacteria. What is replication of the bacteria? Replication means conversion of DNA into the DNA. Replication process in which DNA converted into the DNA means many DNA formation occur. This is the replication process and causes the, it is bactericidal in nature. What means bactericidal? Bactericidal means it kill the bacteria. So please learn this. This is the bactericidal in nature and mostly taken oral form. What form? Taken mostly orally. And example of this is the like many example I wrote here, but please learn that the suffix, please noted suffix floxacin. In all example floxacin or oxacin are visible. So please learn the suffix floxacin or oxacin. But I made the mnemonics for you like PMT, like you always know AIPMT. So I made PMT student lay CNG good. PMT student lay CNG good. Please note that in your notebook. PMT student lay CNG good. This is the mnemonics for the fluoroquinones. But you always learn the floxacin or oxacin is the suffix for fluoroquinones. Norfloxacin has minimum bioavailability, means not bioavailability more, so minimum bioavailability, and levofloxacin has maximum bioavailability. So please learn this. Norfloxacin has minimum bioavailability and levofloxacin has maximum bioavailability, and sparfloxacin has longest half life among the all fluoroquinone. This is the longest half life, but it's also side effect of many sparfloxacin like phototoxicity. I will discuss in the adverse effect. It causes phototoxicity maximum, so its uses restriction sometimes. Uses of fluoroquinone like ophthalmic infection, respiratory infection, urinary tract infection, bone and joint infection, and also pseudomonas infection like ciprofloxacin and levofloxacin. Please learn that in pseudomonas infection only ciprofloxacin and levofloxacin are used, which has fluoroquinone. I made in this diagram all infection. So from this diagram you will learn all uses of the fluoroquinones. Like unitract infection, you learn norfloxacin are mostly used in case of the unitract infection. Ciprofloxacin is a drug of choice for prophylaxis and treatment of anthrax, which for anthrax and also prophylaxis of meningococcal meningitis. Please learn this. Already asked question from this. So ciprofloxacin is used for prophylaxis and treatment of anthrax and prophylaxis of meningococcal meningitis. And moxifloxacin and trovafloxacin has widest spectrum including gram positive, gram negative, all gram positive, gram negative and anaerobes. So moxifloxacin and trovafloxacin is used or in case of all bacteria like gram positive, gram negative and anaerobes bacteria. This is the widest use, means broad spectrum mostly act. Moxifloxacin and trovafloxacin. What is the adverse effect of the fluoroquinone? Fluoroquinones has many adverse effect like unpleasant taste, means taste problem occur. GIT distress mean digestive problem occur. Joint problem like pain in the joint and tendon injury occur. Its most important example tendon injury, peripheral neuropathy, cardiotoxicity and hepatotoxicity. Please learn this example. Tendency to injure tendon, hypoglycemia and hyperglycemia both causes. Some drugs causes hyperglycemia and some drugs causes hypoglycemia. And hepatotoxicity, peripheral neuropathy and cardiotoxicity. This is the most important example. It's also used in case of the joint. In fluoroquinone used in case of the joint problem, but more uses it causes also joint problem, because I wrote also in the uses bone and joint infection, but it when it taken more amount or for a long time it causes joint problem. So it's also causes the adverse effect of the fluoroquinones. Now second drug is nalidixic acid. Nalidixic acid also is a first group drug, like drug inhibit the DNA gyrase, means also it causes the inhibition of DNA gyrase, which causes the inhibition of the replication of the DNA into the bacteria, and it is also a bactericidal in action. Bactericidal action also, this drug causes bactericidal action. There is no many uses of these drugs. These are used only in case of the urinary tract infection or in case of the sometime it is also used in case of the diarrhea. So this is the uses of the nalidixic acid. What is the adverse effect of the nalidixic acid? Nalidixic acid adverse effect like it causes the GIT dysfunction, hemolysis of the blood, hemolysis causes, and visual disturbance and seizure. Seizure also causes it. So please learn this seizure. Nalidixic acid causes the seizure. I forgot you to say about the fluoroquinone are not used. Yeah, fluoroquinone not used in case of the pregnancy. Not used in case of pregnancy and also not in pregnancy and not in child, because it causes bone and cartilage dysfunction. Bone and cartilage dysfunction or not formation occur, so it's not used. Please learn that. I forgot this. So this is the contraindication of fluoroquinone. Now I will start rifampicin. Rifampicin is the drug. This is the second type of drug which causes the RNA polymerase inhibition, means it causes the not conversion of DNA into the RNA, means it inhibits the transcription of the DNA. Rifampicin, you always remember that rifampicin. Sometimes you confuse in that rifampicin and rifampicin and rifamycin. Like spelling I write RIFAMYCIN. This is the rifamycin. This is the rifampicin. You didn't understand? I will explain. Rifamycin has many derivative like rifampicin, rifabutine. This is the derivative of rifamycin. So please learn that rifampicin is the derivative of rifamycin. So not confused in this. This is the derivative. The rifamycin has many derivative like rifampicin, rifabutine, and rifagil. As this is the many drugs rifampicin derivative. So I will start rifampicin. This is the anti-tuberculosis drug. I will discuss in the later. I will make a video like anti-tuberculosis drug. This is the very important topic for NEET PG and also for FMG like rifampicin, isoniazid, ethambutol and pyrazimide. This is the all are anti-tuberculosis drug. So I will discuss it later, but now I will start from rifampicin. Rifampicin also inhibit the DNA transcription of the DNA and mostly taken orally with empty stomach. Why taken drug empty stomach? Because sometimes some drugs which causes the disturbance into the food digestion. So it when any drugs which causes the food digestion problem and interfere with the in digestion, so it taken mostly empty stomach. So doctors say some drugs take at the time of empty stomach. It causes the orange discoloration of urine and orange staining of contact lens. Please learn this. Many times question asked from this. This is the orange discoloration of the urine. When person taken rifampicin, then his urine color changes from yellow to orange color. Orange color, and also contact lens color also changes into the orange color. And this drug rifampicin passes both blood-brain barrier and placental barrier. Please learn that the one point the rifampicin uses of rifampicin many, but in case of the renal infection, like in case of the many renal infection, if renal failure occur in any person, then we use rifampicin because it is safest drug. There is no problem if a person has renal failure. And rifampicin also has least toxic drug anti-tuberculosis. If in exam I will explain this all into the anti-tuberculosis drug, but now like demo you will learn least toxic anti-tuberculosis drug in all like isoniazid, ethambutol and pyrazimide. So rifampicin is the least toxic drug. What is the uses of rifampicin? First, you always remember tuberculosis, because I from first of all I always discuss that it is a anti-tuberculosis and anti-tuberculosis drug. So please learn this anti-tuberculosis drug. So use in case of tuberculosis, leprosy and prophylactic drug of meningococcal and staphylococcus carrier stage, means use in case of the bacteria like meningococcal and staphylococcal infection. Adverse effect of the rifampicin. Adverse effect of the rifampicin like hepatotoxicity, proteinuria, skin rash or flu-like syndrome. Flu-like syndrome and anemia, means deficiency of the blood occur. This is the flu anemia. Please learn that tuberculosis. It's very important. So I will highlight this tuberculosis. This is the drug destroying DNA synthesis. Drug destroying DNA synthesis like metronidazole. Metronidazole mostly it is a amoebic drug. I will discuss into the chapter like amoebal infection, because it's also most important chapter after tuberculosis. And like it's a derivative of like nitroimidazole derivative. Like many drugs is the derivative of nitroimidazole like metronidazole, omidazole, tinidazole. This is the derivative of nitromidazole. So yeah, I will discuss into the chapter amoeba, amoebic infection diseases occur. But now I will discuss only metronidazole. Metronidazole is a drug destroying DNA. It causes the DNA destruction occur, and it mostly taken orally or IV, both form. It taken in the oral form as well as IV, intravenous form. Uses of metronidazole. Uses of metronidazole, like in case of the skin infections, mouth infection like gum and dental, like in the dental cavity many problem occur which causes the infection into the mouth and gums. Bacterial vaginosis and pelvic inflammatory disease, means also into the pelvic area infection causes by the metronidazole. So please learn this. Pelvic infection is the important, like metronidazole. I will also discuss in detail metronidazole into the in like amoebic infection disease. It is a drug of choice for treatment of trichomoniasis and giardiasis, bacterial vaginosis, pseudomembranous colitis by difficile bacteria. And also it is a drug of choice for the intestinal wall disease and amoebic liver abscesses. Please learn this, both of these. It is a drug of choice. Please learn the drug of, please learn all drug of choice, because most of question drug of choice for all subject, like inhibition in all chapter, like inhibition of protein synthesis, inhibition of the cell wall synthesis. In this all drug of choice is very important. This is the drug of choice for the trichomoniasis, giardiasis and all of this. It is also a drug of choice for intestinal wall disease and amoebic liver abscesses. Also learn this. What is the adverse effect of the metronidazole? Adverse effect of the metronidazole, like abdominal cramp, metallic taste, leukopenia, means it causes also decrease into the WBC count, causes leukopenia, and discoloration of the teeth. It is a very important. Discoloration of the teeth causes by the metronidazole, and high dose causes the seizure. Please learn this. Discoloration of the teeth and high doses causes seizure. Fourth is the nucleotide and nucleoside analogs. They are mostly antiviral drug, like anti-cancerous drug, HIV, cancer, hepatitis, means all are mostly antiviral drug. And structure of these drug are similar to nucleotides or nucleoside, like nucleotide contains sugar, phosphate. These are the structure. So drug also have same structure, similar like structure, not same, is similar structure. So it's same as a nucleotide or nucleoside. Now I will discuss NRTI, because acyclovir I will discuss in antiviral chapter. So now I will only discuss NRTI. NRTI, like nucleotide reverse transcription inhibition. It inhibit the reverse transcription process, means it inhibit the synthesis of DNA from RNA, means from RNA to DNA. It's inhibit the synthesis from RNA to DNA, means reverse transcription inhibition. Uses of NRTI. Uses of NRTI is, this is the drug used in case of the HIV infection or in case of the AIDS. In case of HIV infection or in case of the AIDS, it is used, like AIDS and also sometimes it is also used in case of the hepatitis B virus. Like in this diagram I show that the reverse transcription process, how this work, and it causes the inhibition of reverse transcription. What is the adverse effect of the NRTI? Adverse effect of the NRTI, like stomach problem, means digestion problem occur, trouble in sleeping, sleepiness occur, dizziness, nausea and tiredness occur when it will taken, then person feel like tired. Now I completed part 4. I will give the questions this video in the next video. So please, if you like, please subscribe, share and press the bell icon for get the notification of new video. Thank you so much.